This is the Leon Dragone magnet pump. Over here on the left is a 4700 microfarad 35 volt capacitor, and that's attached to a diode with the cathode pointing towards the negative side of the capacitor. This is very, very simple. Now, over here, I have a 12 volt reed switch. Now that reed switch goes in series with that 12 volt battery to this coil. Now this coil is a bifilar, and you can see here I have 3 ends coming out. It's joined like a jewel thief, wired in series for high voltage. And the next component over here, you can see, is my timer. That's a tiny Lego DC motor, and that's its battery pack down there. It takes 4 AA's to run that timer wheel with the 2 trigger magnets on it. Now you can see the ratio between the diameter of that trigger neo and the circumference of that timer wheel. You see, that's the space between those magnets is my 80% off time for that reed switch, which is in series to that 12 volt battery to this coil with 2 ends. Now, those ends have 2 leads coming off, one from the reed switch and the other to an end of that capacitor. You see? So those 2 leads from the coil go to 4 with gator clips, 2 to the cap, and 1 to that reed switch in series to the battery. This is very, very simple. Now let's take a closer look at this coil here. Those are very, very powerful. Actually, this is a ring magnet, not a disc, because it's got a tiny 1/4 inch hole on the top, like its sister on the bottom. They're in attraction. Now, I can pick the entire unit up here, and you can see that the magnet is attached, firmly attached, and not falling off. It's got attracted to it. So those are the basic components here for this experiment. Now in the next video, I'll have this all hooked up, and I'll pulse that reed switch to that coil sandwiched in those powerful neon rings, and I'll demonstrate the rise in voltage to the run battery with a multimeter. That's about the best I can do. But that's it for now, folks.